Hello, friends and CMA friends and other others. So, a lot of misconceptions of CMA profession. So, this is the fantastic career opportunities as your student's life became a successful in the CMA profession. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India was established at 1944 before in the second world after second before second world war. So there is a plenty of opportunity. There in the institute will still running on 75 years. They can fantastic uh, lot of people take on this course and get it settled in career opportunities and make his career heights. This is the welcoming course of CMA profession. It is acceptable from worldwide. So a lot of countries were waiting for CMA profession in the lot of manufacturing sectors. Here are some job opportunities for CMAs and practicing avenues for the CMAs in service industries and economy and in CMA in practice. So there is a dual opportunities for both students and upcoming enrollers. A lot of students still studying. There is no career path. How the career is going on. So a lot of misfaying. So a lot of students have been trouble for how to apply for a lot of which companies we selected. A lot of misconception is going on. Today's will be end of this video. So the misconception ended today. So here is the same opportunities both as well as students and members. So if students really please attention your focus and make a video for till the end. So there is a lot of job opportunities for CMS like cost and management accounting, financial management, financial and business analyst, system analysis and systems management, auditing and internal control, tax management like direct and indirect taxation, in capital market analyst, fund manager, portfolio analyst, and ERP implementation process analysts and BPOs like KPO sectors, implementing the business intelligence systems, academic opportunities, profession. There is professors in accounting and finance and opportunities for pursuing also PhD. So there is opportunities for also pursuing the PhD after we completing successfully in CMA course. We also practice for like cost audit, audit advertising, for practicing avenues for testing, so internal audit, stock audit, and concurrent audit, and management consultancy and financial services, assignment of various state and central boards, governments, court of law, labor tribunals, and statutory bodies and regulatory bodies, and tax of accounting and project. There is a plenty of opportunities for project practicing CMS also, as well as job opportunities. Like before we discuss in the last couple of last couple of minutes. So this is excellent. Institute also provide the job opportunities for campus placement also. So a lot of Indian companies like PSUs and public sector banks, undertakings, banking sectors and consultancy firms, software companies, industries, finance industries, a lot of sectors of opportunities for corporate companies. Some of the famous companies, Indian Oils, INGC, NHPC, Coal India, and IDB Bank. So list is so big. So a lot of Indian companies like Vedanta, Saint Gobain. So a lot of corporate companies have been waiting for CMS profession. So the institute also provide the campus placement for who have been completed both public and private sectors companies in we enroll for CMS students as well as members. So this is the fantastic career opportunities for highest last previous campus places they have 18 lakhs per annum. So average salary for 7.5 lakhs per opportunities who have been qualified CMS as well as members. So this is the fantastic career opportunities for both who have been success in your career. So opportunities for career opportunities and career prospects of CMS as well students. This is the fantastic opportunities for CMS who have enrolled for newly joined for CMS. So please don't stop your CMA journey. So please join the CMA course and settle your fantastic career and success in your life. So please like, share, subscribe. Once again, don't trap any other fake news. So we should have make a official notifications every news and updates. So don't panic. So I just made the short video for the institute website walkthrough. So please go through that website in our my channel. So students, all the best, and members also best. So please like, share, subscribe for more information about CMA Bhavan and CMA students, CMA Institute, CMA Cost and Management Accountants. The fantastic career opportunities for job as well as practice both industries and academic levels. The fantastic corporates are in last 2 years. The institute taken the campus placement, the good initiative by institute for students as well as CMS for career progress. Fantastic corporate companies. Look at some of the companies have been join the campus placements like Coal India, Gale, some list so big. So a lot of public sector industries as well as campus placements. We also get outside companies like others, Reliance, Geo, so other, like something. Every manufacturing companies, corporate companies, there is a opportunity for some space given to the CMAs. Industries must taken from CMAs. Without CMA, the industries. That's why so without that's why behind every successful business decision there is always CMA. That's why every industry need business decision there is always CMA. There are fantastic career opportunities for CMA students as well as qualified students as well as upcoming students. This is the career opportunities for CMS. So please like, share, subscribe. Don't follow any fake newses and update. The institute will take everything. So don't panic. Don't CMA career is very important for successful in your life. Fantastic job opportunities as well as practicing as well. So both you have also academic like teaching and facilities also available for CMA students as qualified students as well as upcoming students. So please join the CMA profession and be a part of Indian economy and be a part of your life. So fantastic career opportunities for CMA students as well as members also practicing in their practicing avenues like cost audit, advertising and something and others. So I did not elaborate the list. So please walk through and we see the complete video, we noted down. So we also download this CMA opportunities from student website, so institute website. So if you any doubts, I will post it in also in Telegram channel Target CMA. So please like, share, subscribe. Please download in Target CMA in Telegram channel. If any doubts, contact me. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you again in the next video.